Hello everyone. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to buy COQ INU using Trust Wallet and Trader Joe, even if you are new to Avalanche-based tokens. So step one is you need to buy AVAX. So the Avalanche token on a centralized exchange like Binance. All right. So once you have purchased AVAX, you can then send it to Trust Wallet. Make sure the address you use is on the Avalanche C chain. All right. Now this is how you transfer AVAX to fund your Trust Wallet. Now next you can go to Trader Joe xyz.com, and this is a centralized exchange built for Avalanche. All right. So connect your Trust Wallet to the site by clicking Connect Wallet. And if you're on mobile, use the D app browser inside the Trust Wallet. All right, now it's time to choose your token pair. So in the form field, select AVAX, and then in the to field, so you can find this one, search and select COQ. So this is a meme coin. Now enter the amount of AVAX you want to swap for COQ. Make sure to leave a small amount of AVAX for gas fees. So don't choose all of them. And after that, you can just click swap, confirm the transaction in Trust Wallet, and wait a few seconds. So this is choose from, this is the to section, and then click switch to Avalanche, and that's it. Your COQ tokens will appear in your wallet. So COQ is the latest meme coin hitting up Avalanche. So remember, meme coins can be fun but risky. And do your research before investing. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more quick crypto how to's.